Hi, to set Chrome as default browser on Xiaomi 13, go in the phone settings first and here scroll so you could see the apps section. After that, choose Manage Apps and then tap on the three dots in the upper right corner to go in Other Settings. From this list, you will need to choose Default Apps and then simply find Browser section, and from Mi Browser, you want to switch to Google Chrome if you want to set it as a default browser. Just tap on it like that so it will become blue, and to save the changes, it is enough to simply go back using this arrow. And now Google Chrome is our default browser. By the way, you can do just the same for each of these sections from the list. You can select default launcher, you can do the same with dial, messaging, caller ID, camera, gallery, music, email, and so on. Just tap on this section and select default app. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.